The idea is to have a very vibrant community feeling with a broad coverage, not only programming languages or some specifics of one platform. We want to bring everything to one conference. We had the freedom to create a schedule that has no other purpose besides educating attendees. And this is definitely reflected in the diverse set of speakers. And if you look at the featured speakers on the website right now, it's companies like Microsoft, Slack, and Google, and Red Hat. The biggest challenge in our fast-moving industry is actually education and that lifelong learning thing, right? So an index is the one place for you to go. Instead of spending a fortune on attending various vendor events, Index gives that broad perspective, this variety of learning experiences across technologies and methodologies in just one place.